Hello, tribe. This is Alexia Tracy, and today I am going to be showing you how to do a bikini wax at home using Tress Wellness Complete Waxing Kit. The great news about using the Tress Wellness Complete Waxing Kit is that it comes with everything you need. Before we get started, I also wanted to make a note that it comes with a quick beginner guide, which is amazing. So you do not have to feel like you have to know exactly what you're doing when it comes to waxing at home. There's literally a step-by-step guide on how to wax professionally and carefully at home. And being as though that I am a licensed cosmetologist and I had to learn some of these things, I will tell you hands down that this is a really great beginner's guide. All right, so first things first, you want to pour your wax beads into your wax pot and allow that to melt. Now, prior to doing this, double check and make sure that whatever part of your body you're waxing, make sure that the hair is at least 1/4 an inch long to be able to wax effectively. If you don't know what 1/4 of an inch is, I would say at least the size of a rice grain. Right here, you see me turn my wax pot up in temperature, but that's just so that I can melt the wax beads a little bit quicker. And then in order to get the consistency of honey or molasses with the wax, I go ahead and turn it down. And I also turn it down so that it does not burn the skin. That's one thing that you do not want to happen when giving yourself a wax. Around the halfway point of your beads melting, you want to go ahead and start stirring it up. And as it starts to thicken up like honey and molasses, we're going to go ahead and put the pre-wax spray on the area that we decide to wax, which in this video, it's going to act as the bikini line. When you put the pre-wax on the bikini line area, you want to also give it some time to dry for about 30 seconds before going in with your wax. Now that we have the wax at the consistency that we like, you always want to go ahead and test the wax temperature on your skin prior to doing your wax. Now we're going to go ahead and put the wax on the outside of the panty line or right next to the crotch area. That's for the bikini. And when you apply your wax, make sure that you pull the skin taut first, stretch out the skin, apply your wax. Now, when you apply your wax to your bikini line, you want to make sure that you're applying it in the same direction that the hair is growing by creating a lip at the end. When you apply the wax, you want to allow it to cool for at least 30 seconds, or you can pluck it and make sure that when you go ahead and pluck it, that it's hard. That means that it's dry. Once it's dry, you can begin lifting up a section. And when you go ahead to pull that lip at the bottom, you want to pull it in the opposite way that the hair is growing to ensure that you are actually waxing off the hair that's grown in. So to make things simple, go ahead and create a lip at the bottom so that's easier for you to grab, and then wax it in the opposite direction. After you're finished waxing your bikini area, you want to grab your after wax spray, and this is going to moisturize and smooth the bikini area, and it's also going to remove wax residue. Although this is a very beginner friendly bikini wax tutorial that you can do at home, I want to leave an advice with you, and that is to wax in sections and take your time. All right, so I hope that this tutorial helped you guys. Let me know, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you, tribe. Mwah, mwah, mwah.